Okay, guys, good morning. This is Friday weekly rundown and also analysis. So, first of all, let's go over the week, the price action that we've had, and the reason why I've had no trades this week. So far, we might get a trade today, who knows? So, Monday didn't really give us much. So, last week was really good, nice downtrend. Caught a trade on Wednesday on US 500, but I just put it on this just for demonstration purposes. So Monday didn't really give us much. We did have a bearish engulfing candle, but to be honest, after that move to the downside last week, I was a little bit cautious of taking this because we have this major level here, major level of previous sell pressure, which will become buy pressure. Was expecting a move to the upside, so no trade there. Tuesday, we had this move to the upside, clean move to the upside. There's a level of sell pressure here. This could have rejected a move down, so there was no trade there. Wednesday, we didn't really see anything. We didn't really see much until 1600 and then kind of consolidated until we saw, I think it was Tesla earnings at 2100, and then we moved to downside. And then again, yesterday, we did see what would have been an entry if it was during the New York Open, but this was news before. After that, it moved to the upside, and then at 2100 again, we had some earnings, which obviously US 100 being a industrial average of stocks. That's why it moved to the upside. So all these moves at 2100 are due because of earnings. So if we take a look at the week so far, last week was super bearish, this week super bullish. The reason why it's bullish, I honestly thought that this week wasn't going to do much. I thought that it was going to tap this level, probably close something kind of like this here, where we don't really have much, but it's definitely done more than my expectations. So I do expect this to potentially continue to the 17868 this week, or it could reject this level here and move down to 17400. To be honest, I'm kind of more on the bullish side than the bearish side. We'll see what happens at this level and also at the open. So ever since we've seen that move at 2100, we haven't really done much. I don't think it will do much until later on. So later on, we do have two high impact news events, which is core PCE and also Michigan consumer sentiment. We will potentially find the trade before Michigan consumer sentiment. So if we do see an entry candle to the upside later on, we can definitely place a trade with less risk because Michigan can give us sometimes a false trade, but it's worth putting a 1% risk on if we do catch a move to the upside. And that's what I'll be looking for today on US 100. Potentially a bullish engulfing candle, move to the upside, touch this level, and that's it for the week. This could, however, because we do have sell pressure here, move to the downside. So if we do get an entry candle to the downside, and then we'll place a trade to the downside as well. So I'm honestly not skeptical of any way today. It could literally fall this week, closes with a pin bar, or it goes more bullish. We'll see what happens today after seeing this move to the upside. Potentially, it's going to continue in that direction. So let's see what happens. US 500, basically the US 100's bigger brother. I wasn't expecting sell pressure there, but it broke. We didn't see entry confirmation on the weekly here. So now for the week, this has broken the daily. It's at the weekly. It's going to have a lot of, well, it's going to need a lot of buy pressure in order to break this level, but it still could do. Again, it could go bullish or bearish here. US 500 basically moves the same as US 100. If US 500 is going to have a clean move today, US 100 is as well. So This will trade exactly the same as US 100. The only one that won't trade the same as US 100 is the US 30. So the US 30, we did see the move to the downside yesterday. Let's take a look at this daily. So yesterday, if you take a look, it does look like we have made lower lows and lower highs. We've seen sell pressure there, but we also saw buy pressure here. So let's take a look at the weekly here. The weekly looks as though it could close as a pin bar and continue to move down. This is looking kind of bearish. We've got lower lows and lower highs. We have broken this level, but we could potentially, again, it could go either way here. It could bounce off this level and move up to fill that gap on the pin bar on the weekly, or it could drive down and move all the way down here to retest this level and then move to the upside next week. So honestly, for now, because it's broken this level, because it looks as though buyers have come in here, potentially a move to the upside. Let's just say bullish on all indices for now. But again, if we break this level, I'm not against going short here at all. At all. I don't mind. So potential move to the upside on all indices. Let's go to gold. There's gold here. Okay, gold. So this has actually broken the weekly. So if we go to the weekly here, looks as though buyers are coming in here now. We take a look at the long term. Gold is a positive 6.2. Medium term, gold is positive 3.2. Short term, gold is stronger than the USD. So gold to the upside. That's what we've been expecting, but we did break below this level, so we was looking for short-term shorts. Today, there's a potential for a long here. Potentially, if you take a look at the daily, where is a nice daily zone here? Recycle this. 2360. So if we can get a trade to the upside there, that will be the trade that I place today. Stop loss just below here. And that'll be the trade that I'll place. So thank you guys for watching. That is the weekly rundown. Expecting a trade today with US 100. Probably indices moving to the upside today. We'll see what happens. Again, we do have core price PCE and also Michigan consumer sentiment. So thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Hope you learned something. Bye-bye.